Well, hold on. Well, hell. Hold on just a minute. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, well, get it. If you're going to get it and you want to do it now, then do it now.
What'd you do? Put me on speakerphone?
Well, yeah, because according to my clock, it is 12 a.m. in the morning.
Anyway. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my best friend in the whole wide world. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Now, Tommy, you gotta give her 29 spankings.
It ain't, well, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Oh, that was beautiful.